welcome back to my channel. I'm in a great mood right now. We're gonna do a little night routine slash like wind down with me. I am defrosting some minced turkey from my HelloFresh because we're gonna make something. We are going to make this Indian inspired curried beef bowls with golden rice pilaf and creamy tomatoes. So we need to make the rice, make the little tomato like yogurt situation, and then make the beef situation. So I think we're gonna start with the rice while that's thawing still, which I love HelloFresh because literally I have the meats all in the freezer and it takes like not long for it to thaw because it's such like a small portion. So let's make the rice. Okay, so I have pots on the stove full of water that I boiled, and I'm gonna refill my water jug so I can drink water. That's not gross. So let's do that before we actually start cooking. They're done. Now let's cook. She don't catch fear, she catch flights. I'm very impressed. Shit, I almost just dropped the whole thing. Impressed. So let us take a bite. Get a little bit of everything. It's really hot still because I just plated this. Took pictures and shit. So let's get a bite of everything. It is really good, but it needs more of a curry flavor, and I'm used to like an authentic like curry from like Trinidad and shit. So it doesn't have the same like curry chicken that I'm like used to, but it is still good. And again, it was something new, so yeah.
Oldest, 100 billies, I'm the go, no eyelash. You put the baby, now your face look tired. Used to be the baby mom, you want it now. You won't need another dot, can't talk me down. You better pick her up, cause hoes brawling now. So let me get it started. Round 1, fight. Round 2, ice. Round 3, bite. Let me get it started.
I love the one I watched like this. I actually hate it. I'm rotting right now. I'm not rotting, but I'm just laying down. I have this bug bite on my knee from last night because I had friends over, and look at it. Like, it literally looks like a goose egg, and it hurts really bad. So I don't know, I'm trying not to itch it, but it's like throbbing and it feels uncomfortable. But I think I'm gonna watch something. I don't know what, but I want to watch something. There's this show that my friends have been watching, and there's also this movie with Joey King, Zac Efron, and Nicole Kidman that I want to watch too. It's called Family Affair. So we're watching one of them, I think. So let me figure it out. But I'm also distracted on TikTok. I was posted a TikTok. So yeah, I'm literally just chilling the rest of the night. Nothing special, but this is what I be doing when I am home. This is what I'm about to watch. This is what all my friends are talking about, so let's give it a try. I already ate some of this, but my mom brought back this like mushroom, like spinach dip, but like for mushrooms instead. Mushroom dip. I don't know why I didn't just say mushroom dip. I already ate most of it, but I don't know what I'm saying. I already ate most of it, but I just want to show you that I'm getting that. I'm still watching my show.
I don't brag, I mostly boast. From the VA to the LA coast. Yes, there, no.